So it's a Nissan Altima. So just want to share this video, show you how you do your oil change. Yeah, I opened the radiator hose just to check, splurt right out, but this fluid been in there for 7 years, so it's time for change. And then we're gonna do some windshield washer fluid today, and we're gonna do some power steering fluid too. Also, that power steering fluid need to be flushed out. It's really dirty. Then we're gonna do some air filter, and then some cabin filter, clean the batteries, the battery terminals right there, and the oil change. All right, so stay tuned while we get this done. All right, yeah, so we're checking the air filter, see how bad it is. I think I changed this last year. I know I have to do cabin filter because I didn't get it done because it get cold on me last year. So yeah, let's see how the air filter stays. Air filter. Oh, it's have some dirt in it. I do this last year. Not so bad. Late last year I did this. So it still look pretty much good. Just some little spots in there. Alright, so I don't think I'm gonna replace that. But the cabin filter definitely, power steering fluid, and here checking, see motor mounts down here. Looking at like a Chevy. It's a 2012 Nissan Altima S. Alright, so brakes and all of that. Tires pretty much good. So I bought brand new tires 2 years ago, so they're still good. This currently have 61,000 miles on it. So everything else look good. So stay tuned while we get this done. Yes, so I would say again, make sure your car is blocked properly. Put a block at the wheel, and then use some brake cleaner to clean up your mess. Alright. Yeah, so now we're gonna drain the oil pan right here, and the drain plug right here. Yeah, then we're gonna use 14mm wrench and crack the drain plug. Alright, then loosen the drain plug. See how black the oil is. It's gone over a little over 3,000. Whoa, look at that. It's dirty. So we have to change this today. Alright. And then the filter be up here and behind this plate right here. Here's an oil filter right behind here. Let's drain. Alright, now the oil finished draining. There's a crush washer. This one not so bad. I don't have one right now, so I'm going to use this one box. All I do is just turn it around on the bolt, and then I'm going to put it back in. Yeah, this is not for the professionals, just for people who want to learn to do their own oil change. And tighten it up. Make sure it's tight so you don't leak out your oil on the road. Yeah, there you go. See, tight. Get your rag and wipe it up. Alright. Make sure there's no oil dripping off that. Then move this over a little bit. And then we're gonna move the filter right here. If I can't move it by hand, I'm gonna have to get a tool for it. So let me see first. It's tight, so I'm gonna have to get the tool for that. Alright. Now I'm back with my filter tool. I'm gonna try and loosen this filter to get it off because it was so tight. See, there you go. I couldn't move it by hand. So move it with a tool real easy. Alright. Some filters are in different spots. Some are behind the engine up higher. some is in front of the engine, but this is the Nissan Altima 2012 S2.5. so filter sits right here. Most Nissan sit right here, and some Toyotas, some Unders also. So there we go, oil running off the filter. That's the excess oil that goes into the filter, so it can go through the engine clean, pick up no contaminants. So that's what the filter does, it traps out contaminants from the engine, so your engine lasts you a long time. So it's always good to get your oil change done every 3,000 or every 5,000 miles. It all depends on what recommended for your car. Alright, keep your engine running smooth, keep your engine smiling. You know, you make the car happy, it makes you happy, it take you wherever you want to go. Yeah, you know, yeah, it'll take you wherever you want to go. Keep it shining, keep it smiling. The car love when it get it oil change, you know. So always take care of your car, they last you for a long time. All right. All right, there we go. We're gonna put the filter back up there. Yeah, we're gonna put the filter right back in, up there. See? Make sure you screw it on tight, real tight. Not really over tight, but make sure you tighten that boy right there. And don't forget to put your filter back on. Yeah, don't forget to put your filter back on. Make sure it's tight when you put it back. Alright. See? That's not gonna go nowhere. Alright. So that's completing our oil change. We're gonna put the oil in now. Yeah, that's my engine oil. I'm moving this thing up to synthetic. And 5 quarts. And that's my extended life coolant. I'm gonna flush the coolant also, as I said before. And this is my gold filter. This is, I rather these nice filter. They're more expensive, but best to use, you know. Alright, and then, you know, gotta pour in your oil up here. 530. Alright, this car only have 61,000 miles. Okay, so stay tuned, keep watching. Yeah, we're gonna put the oil in the engine now. Funnel, and this thing takes 5 quarts. Take 5 quarts of oil. Then we're gonna pour it in. See? Remember, 5 quart Nissan Altima 2.5S. So this is how you learn to do your own oil change. Save yourself some money. You know, if you have a little backyard or a little driveway and you want to save some money, it's always good to help yourself, you know. So we have to save money at times. Alright, 530. Yeah guys, I'm asking you, please, when you watch the videos, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and all. I'm trying to make you all good videos. I notice nobody been subscribing a lot. I want to push this channel up to 200 subscribers. So please give me a hit on that subscribe button, okay? Thank you very much. Looking forward to see you guys touching up that subscribe button for more videos. I promise you I give you more videos and better ones each time. So if you give me, it's subscription free. You don't have to pay for it. You know, just touch that notification button. Touch the subscribe button, hit it up, let me feel good. All right, more videos coming soon. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, and also hit the hit it, man. Just hit that thumbs up, you know, make it flare pretty nice, shiny, you know. Give it, you know, if you touch that thumbs up button, it get flared up and it all get pretty, man. I love to see it, so I want you guys keep touching that too. All right, thank you. All right, keyless one here. Yeah. See, pour in your oil. See, make sure you have your funnel. You pour your oil in, and you save money. You don't have to put out no big money if you do no oil change once you can do it yourself. Yeah, keep smiling, keep shining. I get these oil was really on sale for $5 something was a quart, which not bad at all.